and to see how when a handgun laser is sighted in, what happens at distance. Right now we have an LCD here with a crimson trace below. Down we have one dot on top that's really tiny, and then we have a bore laser up here on top. We've got centered with the bore. It kind of produces a line though. We'll do it in the overlay so you can see both. And right now we have it set up at 3 yards, and we're going to pick the camera up and take a look, and we're going to extend it out and watch what happens over distance. So, sorry for the shaky cam, but we're doing what we can with it.
That's 6 yards. Nine yards. There's 15. 18. 21. 24. 27. 30. 33.
All right. We went from all the way down here to all the way up here. 33 yards. We have that much of an offset over distance. And the bore is roughly in the same spot. Not exactly, but it's in the ballpark. That's to give you an idea of how much offset you're going to lose. So you're going from all the way down here to all the way up here. Further out you get away. Mind you, you are also probably at the same point having the bullet starting to lose height. Possibly. It all depends. All right.
Okay. Yep. So what was that offset?
2 foot.
Jeez.
So, between 3 yards and 33 yards, we have a 2 foot offset from point of aim. You could get that to be less of an offset if you were to zero the laser at a further distance away. All right, we got a 0 here. So this gun is actually zeroed from factory at, depending on where you, from the muzzle, 44 inches, or about 3.5 feet. 1 yard. It's got a 1 yard 0.
It is a 380 pocket pistol.
I know, but when you're looking at downrange, you've got a 2 foot offset? All right.